Hi folks, so today I'm going to show you a very easy and affordable way to perform chain cleaning for your motorcycle. Firstly, let's get it washed. The water and shampoo are going to remove the loose gravel and mud particles on your motorcycle. Next, we're going to need three things. First, this brush that we're going to use while chain cleaning. Second, a little bit of diesel. And third, a little bit of engine oil for lubing your motorcycle chain. Now put your motorcycle on the first gear and start cleaning it with the help of this brush and the diesel that you've put in the spray container. Once done, you can see all the grime that has deposited below and that needs to be washed away. This is the state of the chain once you've used diesel to perform chain cleaning. This little guy does a very good job at cleaning your motorcycle chain. Next, use a microfiber cloth to remove the diesel from the motorcycle chain before we start lubing it. And now, this is the state of the motorcycle chain once we have cleaned it with the microfiber cloth. But before I start lubing it, I want to show you something. This is the engine oil that I'm using to lube my motorcycle chain. You can find it in any nearby store. Just make sure it's a new one and not an old one. Now put that engine oil in any spray bottle as you desire. Put your motorcycle on first gear again and start lubing it with the help of the spray bottle. Once done, your chain would have been properly cleaned and lubed. And now, we have our motorcycle completely clean. So that's all folks, and here's a little goodbye from our supervisor Candy. Bye bye.